exact location, depth, or pressure of the pipeline. And it looks like they're ready to start their dig, but the spotter has received a phone call. Instead of helping the backhoe operator be his eyes down there on the target. And it appears that the backhoe operator, instead of waiting for the phone call, he's going ahead and digging because they assume they know where the line is based off of the line. So the spotter is saying to go ahead and dig because he knows where to dig, and they are off from the pipeline marker, so they should be safe. Oh, looks like he struck the natural gas pipeline. The spotter is running because he knows they made a mistake. He's thinking he can help the situation by running into the product, which is very dangerous. You do not want to run into the hot zone because just as what could happen, he got overcome with the gas fumes. And the backhoe operator has shut off the backhoe, has ran upwind away from the product in a safe zone, and has called 911 for help. You can tell he wants to go in and help his coworker, but he knows not to run into the hot zone because that could endanger him as well. If a pipeline is ever damaged, never run into the hot zone because of the hazardous materials that could be present. The police has arrived on site, and the operator's running towards him, trying to get help as quickly as possible. The police will not allow him back into the hot zone and is instead keeping him a safe distance away, and at the same time trying to gather information as quickly as possible in order to assess the situation. Police may also block off any roads or access areas. As you can see, the fire department arriving on scene. At this time, the police is gathering information to understand what has happened in order to resolve the situation as quickly as possible. And the fire department is wearing all their protective equipment to include a self-contained breathing apparatus in order to keep them safe from any hazardous material. They will also have a multi-gas meter, carbon monoxide, hydrogen sulfide, oxygen, and lower explosive limits to monitor the atmosphere for flammability when making an entry. They are assessing the situation and setting up an incident command post. And the fire department also gathers information with the equipment operator to get more details on what they are dealing with, and coordinating efforts with 911 and the Parish Office of Homeland Security and Emergency Preparedness to contact the operator of the ruptured pipeline and to determine if any residences require evacuation or need a shelter in place. Stay put. The Parish of Office, Homeland Security, and Emergency Preparedness will contact the fire department to see what level of assistance they need. If needed, they will dispatch the Parish Rapid Assessment Team, which is the Parish Hazardous Material Team, to assist. The fire department is going in to make a line-of-sight rescue for the spotter. As you can see, the EMS has also arrived on site. Notice they are going in as a team so that they can also protect themselves. And they will also have a team of 2 as backup and ready to rescue their entry team if need be. As you can see, they are displacing the product with their water hose so that they can safely make an entry to rescue the injured employee and pushing the product away from them.